No, it's not these mechanical function tools that were created to perform specific tasks as to why I've had anxiety and I've been losing sleep. AI is like nothing we've ever seen. It's adaptive, it's dynamic, it's a system capable of learning decisions and making improving performance without human interaction at all. The ability to process data, to learn, to evolve, and constantly analyzing people's behaviors to do so. Driving cars, image recognition, recommending algorithms, it's not just about that anymore. And to be transparent, I have been nervous, scared, it's been giving me a ton of anxiety. But I learned a few months ago, it's already reshaping our world, so I had to make the decision and ask myself, am I ready for how it will impact my finances, my work, and even my relationships? Growing up, I've always been the last one to get a pager or a phone or a car or a computer. And I love nature and I love personal connection. But this technology is different. I can't run away from it or hide. So I've had to decide how to maintain my beliefs, but also not keep a blind eye to AI any longer. And here are some facts. AI isn't just about convenience. It's disrupting the industry, making jobs obsolete, and also telling us how we can connect with each other. And if you're not prepared, it's going to leave you vulnerable in ways you've never imagined. Because experts have predicted that AI will automate nearly 30% of jobs by 2030. And it's transforming social interactions, algorithms, who you talk to, and even how you interact. AI isn't just changing the rules, it's rewriting the whole game. So let me put this in perspective of the job loss, 30% by 2030. During COVID, starting in April 2020, the unemployment rate jumped from 4.4% to 14.7% approximately in 1 month, the highest since the Great Depression. At the peak of the layoffs, it was estimated that over 20 million people lost their jobs in the US alone. Losing 20 million jobs equates to about 12% of the workforce. 5% is considered massive layoffs, indicating severe economic downturn or a structural change. What will 30% look like? So, are we doomed? What can we do? I would recommend solution number one is I highly recommend staying ahead of the game and upskilling, invest time in learning AI-resistant skills such as creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem solving. These will always have value in a tech-driven world. Solution number two, breathe. Solution number three, take a look at your digital footprint. Monitor your finances closely and limit how much AI controls your personal decisions, whether it's shopping, whether it's investments, whether it's your relationships, and how much AI controls your finances by start learning how to protect your personal data. I recommend a system such as Mint or YNAB where it tracks your spending and it also helps to protect your data. So it's here to stay. I'd recommend just taking small steps instead of keeping a blind eye and keeping your head in the sand. Thanks for joining me.